Hey everyone, how's it going today? So I got another case of I don't want to take it to the shop, I don't want to pay diagnostic fee, I can fix it myself. So they loaded the parts cannon, started blowing parts at this thing. It's a Ford Escape. Complaint was, sorry for the shadow, complaint was that had a bad vibration and a pull. He said it happened after he hit a pothole. He does most of his own work, but he can't figure this one out. So he put a set of front axles in it. He put inner and outer tie rods in it. Okay, let me show you what's going on. Now check this out. Just want you to see this. There's new axle, new inner, new outer tie rods right there. Go to this side. New inner and outer tie rods, new axles. Now I don't know if an alignment was done. I don't know what else was done up to this point, but obviously what he did so far didn't fix the problem. Want to know what the problem is? It's pretty simple. Let me show you. You see that? The belt shift in the tire. See that? See that? That'll cause a pull. It'll cause a vibration, obviously. It'll cause a whole bunch of weird problems. I think that's his whole problem. I don't think he's got anything else going on. But besides that, check this out. He's got a snow tire on this side that's facing the wrong direction. It's going backwards. And then look at the wear on these rear tires. Let me go from the outside, maybe see it better. Can you see that? See how this side is so worn in? This side's a little more exaggerated, actually. If you look from back here, you can see how the inside of the tire is just worn up. But they're fine. It doesn't have any belt shift, but at this point, I'm going to say 4 tires is going to straighten this out. 4 tires and a 4-wheel alignment. All right, just thought that was interesting. Thought you might want to see that. All right, guys. Hope you're getting something out of my videos. If you could, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.